there's an elevator.
Not just any elevator.
But an elevator with Innovation Bruiser.
Not just any elevator with Innovation Bruiser.
Hydraulic elevator with Innovation Bruiser.
Not just any hydraulic elevator with Innovation Bruiser.
One with an outside position indicator. And 3D sensors. I think they're 3D. Let me check. Stand in the car for 1 second. Let me see if these are 3D. I'll test it. Come on. They are. Look at that, 3D.
It's glass. That's what I was hinting at.
Nice. Yeah, I knew. I was just doing the usual.
Oh,
They don't light up.
so liminal. Oh yeah, it is.
It does. You're right.
Dude, like once you get up, it's
Oh, the
so
other side lights up.
creepy.
It's pretty loud.
What's all those panels on the wall?
They look like fire call stations.
I don't want to walk around this place.
We gotta finish the elevator video first, though. Good.
I like how none
Oh,
of the buttons
P2
on the COP work.
on that one.
Or none of them light up.
I can do dual indicator, but people are more interested in the outside view. Let's
So
see.
look at this little bubble when I push it. That's
Nice.
so fun.
Yeah, that's so that it doesn't collapse the container because from the air. You put too much on your hands. I also can't see anything down here other than we got dual indicator view.
Nathan, you gotta sanitize.
I got gloves on.
Sanitize the gloves.
But then they're gonna be all wet. I think its 3D sensors are pretty cool. Sam, hit the buttons again.
Okay. Hey, you don't even have to be in the door.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I've seen a couple of those. I've figured out that that's the way to recognize 3D sensors is they have that light on them. When you close the doors, yeah, go ahead. Well, it doesn't flash orange, or maybe it doesn't, I just didn't see it, but do an indicator view on this trip.
This used to be a Montgomery, according to records.
Yeah, it has an indicator on the top there.
Oh,
An
yeah.
old one.
Would have been cool to see this originally. I bet it was like a GMP.
There's somebody down here. Oh, that's just, is that a guard or is that a...
I think he's just leaving.
Uh,
He's not paying us any mind, so.
yeah, if he cared, he'd look at the elevator. It's glass after all.
This is so weird.
All right.
Why is there an escalator to 2 but not to 3?
I don't know. That's it.